Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our Baking Basics series, and we are talking about why we include salt in sweet recipes. So let's get started.
If you've never noticed, most sweet recipes call for at least a little bit of salt. Doesn't that seem strange? I mean, I don't want my cookies to be salty. Why are we supposed to add salt? Well, it turns out that the salt enhances flavor in general. Instead of making things salty, a small amount of salt will make the recipe just taste more strongly. In fact, rather than make a recipe taste salty, salt generally suppresses bitter and enhances sweet. Adding salt will keep the bitter ingredients like dark chocolate from delivering their bite and will allow the sweetness of another ingredient like sugar to deliver its sweetness. Scientists think it's because the body needs salt to survive, and before it was readily available, the body just registered recipes with salt as better tasting than those without to ensure the body got enough salt to survive. Now, what about people with kidney or heart problems who are on low sodium diets? Do they have to use salt in their recipes? Salt can always be left out of a recipe. However, that will definitely affect the taste, so count on the recipe to be a bit more bland than you would otherwise expect. In fact, I'm a bit sensitive to salt and tend to reduce the amount called for when adapting a recipe. Most of my recipes call for as little salt as possible to preserve flavor. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today and that you learned something about the role of salt in sweet recipes. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more tutorials.